Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about 25 micro and mini items to upgrade your everyday carry toolkit. A great bit selection is always useful for your EDC toolkit. But depending on your work and your needs, maybe microbits are necessary. They are lightweight, take no space, an excellent option for your toolkit. But I have to mention, when we are talking about microbits, there are very cheap versions on the market and high quality tools. I always prefer the high quality. And I have to mention that you have to find the right carry option for the microbits. So this version is a little bit too big for your toolset. And this is a chaos in a plastic bag. I found this micro bit holder in a local store. It has place for 7 bits and it's a great option to organize the tools. And this tool leads us to our next item. It's always the question how to use the microbits. You can carry a micro bit holder like this one here, but I think I found a better option. This one here is an adapter from standard sized bits to microbits. So I can use my standard bit holder with the adapter. I insert the bit and I'm ready to go. This one is a high quality version from Wiha and it's magnetic. Especially the magnetic feature is great because it's hard to find these microbits on the floor. Let's stay in the screwdriver world. I love the Stubby versions when it comes to bit holders. I really like this Wiha version, especially in combination with the special safety bits. I have to mention that a standard bit doesn't fit inside. When you are looking for a Stubby version for standard bits, maybe the Wera versions are a better choice, and you find the Wera version with a ratchet function too. This Bosch version is one of my all-time favorites when it comes to mini ratchets. It's lightweight, it's slim, it's durable, it's functional. I really like this version and I got this version with a Bosch bit kit. You can work very fast, you can work in tight spaces, a great option, and I love this one. From time to time I carry it on my keychain. An amazing tool too. Let's talk about this hard set adjustable wrench. It's hard to find a mini adjustable wrench in a good quality, and that's the reason why I like this hard set version so much. It's a great tool, it's a durable tool, high quality, made in Germany. Many bits can get very heavy, so this slim and lightweight version from Leatherman is a great choice. They have a special design, they are a lot slimmer with 2 bits on each bit, and they fit perfectly into a ratchet like this. The quality of the bits is not on the same level compared to Wiha bits or standard Wera bits, but you carry 40 bits in a very compact size. Another great tool, this is the Wera Wobble bit extension. This cool wobble tool helps you to work in tight and hidden installation spaces. And the next item, this is a universal joint, fits into the same category. And a standard bit extension like this one from Victorinox here is also a great choice for more reach. I really like the Victorinox quality, especially when it comes to the bit extension here. I use this one for years and it's still in excellent shape. The next item is an item from Wera too. It's an adapter from standard bits to small sockets. And with this adapter you can use your mini ratchet for bits and for sockets. And another great item, this one here is a version from Poxon, is this T-handle. Very universal, small, lightweight, perfect for your toolkit. You can use this one for sockets in different positions. You can get more torque on a screwdriver bit handle. And with the right adapter, you can use the T-handle as an improvised screwdriver. Yes, and this adapter is the next item in our selection. You can go for a socket slot to a slot for standard size bits. A small little key for your keychain or your toolbox. This is a vent key for heating systems. Very useful, and maybe it's part of your EDC tasks, then this little tool is the right choice. And when you are looking for a more high quality version, you can use this mini universal key from Knipex. The next item in our selection is this universal socket. It's a Gator version, but it's Wiha labeled. This universal socket will fit for a lot of different bolts, even when they are damaged. In a toolbox you would work with other tools, but when you are looking for a toolkit that's with you on the road, maybe that's a great option. MacGyver style with Victorinox. This one is a Victorinox Classic in the Allox version. I have to mention that you find the Victorinox Classic tools with plastic scales too. Then you have two more tools, a toothpick and tweezers. For this video I chose this version because it's the more slimmer design. We have three tools. We have a small blade, we have a nail cleaning tool with a nail cleaning tip, and the nail cleaning tip works also as a small flathead screwdriver, and we have excellent scissors. There are especially two reasons why I love to carry this one. First of all, excellent scissors are always useful and necessary in a toolkit. And the second point, from time to time you damage your nails, and with this tool you have an excellent option to reprofile your nails. As I mentioned before, when it comes to this Victorinox, the tweezers are missing, but we have tweezers in our selection too. High quality tweezers are always useful to hold things, to pick up things, or for example to remove splinters. I love the build quality of the Knipex tweezers. The tip is extremely fine. This one is a great option for the EDC toolkit and the first aid kit too. When you saw some of my previous videos, I love the sharpening plates from DMT. These are high quality sharpening diamond plates, and I love that they are color coded. Green stands for the extra fine version, and the red one on the right stands for the fine version. It's safe to work with sharp knives, and that's the reason why I love to carry sharpening tools to get a good working edge back on my knives. Always useful and a true multi-tool. Cody Landin said it years before. I love to carry a small but high quality lighter like this big version here. For an EDC toolkit, a large permanent marker would be maybe too big, and that's the reason why I love to carry the small versions. I have two versions in my selection. The edding is a little bit more bulky, but a little bit shorter, and I prefer the edding quality, but the Stanley option is also a great choice. And I have to mention that you find the permanent marker from Stanley, for example, in different colors. I also have a blue and a green version. Two more amazing items, and I like to carry them wrapped around on a card like this. I have 3 to 4 meters of duct tape, and I love to carry electrician tape too. Both are really useful, they take no space, they are lightweight, they are cheap, and you can maintain a lot of things with this little set here. The next item is this installation duct tape. Surely it's a double-sided version, so it's not that easy to carry, but from time to time I love to carry it under the duct tape. The strength is amazing, and it's easy to attach things together that hold up very well. Cheap, small, lightweight and useful micro zip ties. From time to time the micro zip ties are the better option because you can tie them together, and so you have the longer version too. Perfect for different maintenance tasks, but it's total universal oil, and this one is the towel version. You normally get these universal oil towels in a pack of 10, and they are useful for the tool maintenance, for the skincare, or for example for leather care. This one here is a high quality and very durable measure tape. I love the quality of the plastic of this measuring tape, and you can use it in wet conditions. Let's talk about this trio here. First of all, I love to carry a plastic zipper bag, for example, to organize screws, nuts and other equipment. In this plastic zipper bag, I have a standard plastic garbage bag. I love to carry this plastic bag because it has 1000 use cases. I'm really happy when I carry this one with me. It's a great option for the tour in the car. It's a great option for an outdoor environment and especially when you have kids. And the next item in the plastic zipper bag, disposable gloves. And when you repair things, you see things you don't want to touch. Then the disposable gloves are an excellent choice. I hope you find some micro and mini tool ideas for your EDC toolkit. I'm excited about your comments.